You've worked a lifetime to build your wealth, your home, financial accounts, other property, and now it's time to build your estate plan.
But where is it all stored? In different folders, different file cabinets, so many different places, and often your key advisors are working in silos. Your attorney, financial advisor, insurance agent, and accountant, all with different plans and little coordination.
And when the time comes, would your family know where to find everything? Would they know how to act on your wishes?
That's where Palms comes in, the Professional Advisor's Lifetime Management System, a smarter, simpler way to manage your estate and financial life.
Palms is our proactive, all-in-one approach to managing your plan, not just when it's created, but year after year as your life evolves.
Through our secure platform, InheritLink, Palms members can store and access their estate planning documents, financial statements, insurance policies, and more, all in one digital location.
You choose who gets access, whether it's your attorney, your financial team, or your family. Palms helps keep everyone on the same page.
Each year, Palms members meet personally with their Pierro, Connor, and Strauss attorney to review and update their plan, making sure it operates smoothly and stays current as laws, markets, and your own circumstances change.
And you're not doing this alone. Our dedicated Palms team is here to support you every step of the way.
In addition to the annual meeting and 24/7 access to InheritLink, Palms members have 2 hours of time annually for phone calls, emails with their PCS team, including their personal attorney. With Palms, you gain peace of mind, knowing your plan is current, your advisors are connected, and your loved ones are prepared.
Palms, your lifetime management system, only from Pierro, Connor, and Strauss.